Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new Sovereign Plaza in Mandeville. Now this is the first plaza that Sovereign has opened up outside of Kingston. And Sovereign, they operate numerous plazas in Kingston. They have Sovereign in Ligani, massive plaza, one of the top plazas in Jamaica. They have Sovereign North further up the road. They have Sovereign at the Boulevard. And they have Sovereign, I think they have Sovereign Portmore. So now they have gone into Mandeville. And this plaza has everything you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You have a large brand name supermarket, which is Progressive Foods, which is part of the the name of the supermarket is Progressive Foods, yeah. And it's part of the Shoppers Fair group, which is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. It's a massive supermarket, very nicely done. It's part of the Progressive Grocers. That's the name of the parent company, Progressive Grocers. And that's it there. And then second thing you need for a successful plaza is you need food stores. And this plaza has Wendy's and Domino's. That's the store straight ahead to the right. And then the third thing you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica, you need to build a plaza in a populated area. And Mandeville is the largest town in central Jamaica. So this plaza should do very well. That's Wendy's and Domino's we're looking at now. Now, they also have underground parking for this plaza. They have parking spaces that we're driving through now, but they also have underground parking. And then that's the mall to the left. That's where they have more shops. So straight ahead is the supermarket, but to the left is the mall where you have retail stores. We actually have a walk-in tour video of this facility, so you can check it out. Probably I think it's on the other channel, Driving in Jamaica, so you can check that out. But this is a very nice plaza. And what they did here was there was a structure here before, and they demolished everything and put up this new building. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.